Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is me, Nicole Page. If you like to see what we're cooking for dinner, just keep on watching. Hey guys, it is me, Nicole Page, and we are about to make dinner. I had this crazy recipe idea in my head while we was at Walmart. Our Walmart isn't like a Walmart, super Walmart, whatever, for a big grocery selection, so we are gonna do what we gotta do to make a quick dinner today because me and my husband was out all day yesterday and stuff and half the day today and we wanted something quick. So I am thinking um like chicken Alfredo but like with a Mex Tex touch on it, and we're gonna use the already cooked chicken strips and we're gonna get this thrown together. So let's go over what you will need for this recipe. Alright, what you are going to need for this recipe is pasta of your choice. Alfredo sauce, you can make some homemade, but we're trying to make it quick, so we got ragu. You're gonna need fire roasted diced tomatoes, taco seasoning, onions and peppers. You can dice them up yourself or use the frozen blend. Ranch seasoning, I already had that here. Garlic bread, garlic, shredded cheese, and also chicken breasts. You can make them yourself, or like I said, this is a quick dinner. So yeah, let's get it together.